Pay attention to the type of rear valance you are installing. Rear valances with mounting lugs are characterized by the fact that the entire width of the valance has mounting lugs that fit the original bumper slots. Prepare the assembly kit and necessary tools. We recommend dismantling the bumper. Dismantle the original rear valance. Remove a piece of the protective film from the rear valance mounting lugs and place it in the bumper so that all the mounting lugs fit into the bumper slots. Check the fit of the rear valance to the bumper carefully. Use masking tape to mark the outline of the rear valance on the bumper. The mounting lugs should be visible from the inside of the bumper. Check that all the mounting lugs are properly positioned in the bumper slots. From the inside of the bumper, screw the screws into the rear valance mounting lugs so that they hold the rear valance in place. Place a screw in each mounting lug. Note: depending on the car model, installing the rear valance may require further steps such as screwing the side parts of the valance to the bumper, screwing the lower part of the valance to the exhaust cover, or other assembly steps.